Hey, attention all those who are looking for a home with a guest house there, home there, and pool there, and acreage there, gardens there. Well, I got the house for you. Hey, if you guys are looking for a home that has a beautiful lap pool, which is actually super deep, it looks like it's a good maybe 8 to 9 feet, plus a guest house, plus a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, all on a few fenced and cross-fenced acres, which is gated, by the way. And you have your own dog park here as well. Look no further, in Penn Valley, area catch with Century 21. Would love to show you this home. Let's go check it out. Hey, welcome inside this very spacious living space, which you will love as you come into the door. You've got windows, large windows all the way around that you can see most of your property. Got a mini split system right there. And you step into the kitchen and you've got some nice copper countertops areas here. Nice deep sink. Fun shelving there with another storage room that direction, all overlooking your nice deck and near your pool. Primary upstairs bedroom. It does have its own mini split system, which is great. Huge walk-in closets all the way around, full length. It does have a mirror where you can actually do a fit check if you want every morning to make sure you're good. If you don't like the ones out in the room, you've got a sink there, turn the corner over here, a double sink, and then a tile shower tub right there. Welcome downstairs, where you find 2 very spacious bedrooms. This could be a bedroom, another ensuite, guest area, whatever it might be. Nice tile bathtub, surround, vanity. Could be a family room as well, but very large closets. Then it steps over here to another bedroom here as well. This was an amazing dog play area. Even comes with one of your dispensers and a trash can. It's got a nice home, a nice guest house right there with a pool at the end of cul-de-sac with, yes, your double gate dog park. I got the house for you. Area catch Century 21. Give me a call. Take care.